Morning, welcome back to another episode. A bit lumpy this morning, a bit of rain. Our time is... if I stop rocking and rolling. So we'll get stuck into this gear and hope it was better than yesterday. Fingers crossed. One. With some bait, please. Bait. I think he's sized. Alright. 2 mil over.
I didn't think he was sized. I thought he's a bloody...
No. Look here.
A little baby.
Hey! Oh, faithful! So water a day. Oh, yeah.
He's already done better than the plastic.
Yeah. Look at that. Nice overnight soak, eh?
Is that 5?
Overnight soak. The old plastic fantastic.
I told you. I said, I guarantee you he's going to get more than the plastic on the fish.
That breeze is fresh, isn't it? That rain's not helping at all. Stop. Good haul, that one. Good. 6. Keep putting it anyway to the tail. Keep putting it in the pocket. I don't know why I wouldn't do that. getting better this pot. Horns are gone. 3, nah, 4. Ew. Must have been the moon last night. Go on, drift straight through.
Let you get out. Go on, over one in.
That's right. Come on, just 10.
Gone.
Yep. Why didn't put the chair here? Oh, come on. Yeah. That's straight up and down. Yeah, that's a keeper. Another further. That's another keeper. Ow. This one I put out a bit further, eh?
Did you?
Yeah. So it's probably about close to 300 metres off the edge of the reef. So, going back there, that's for sure. That's not funky.
Oh, I need to measure in.
Good one. Choo! Maybe we've been going too close all the time. There's all these little questions I doubt myself with, eh?
Yeah. Make you think.
Yeah. Keep you on the game, don't they? Yeah, that's a good one. Keep up the good work, boys.
12. Look at that big dog. Alright. This big dog. Oh, yeah. That's ready.
Woohoo! I thought I hit the John in the head with it first.
Good one.
Don't get used to go on pot to go yet.
Yeah, look, we're still ready.
Did it again, I threw the bloody thing down in the pocket. The tail. Nearly a bit of rip off the bottom. So that don't even need to measure that one either.
This one's size too.
Good craig, that.
Yeah, good ones.
Big ones.
Many nice.
I nearly did it again.
6. 2 bags.
2 bags.
2 bags. Excellent.
2 bags!
Now we just need 8 from the last one.
Yeah! so well. Oh.
No one needs to look like it's bloody has a big touch.
There's no grains been in it at all.
Yeah.
Oh, that really smells, that one. Jesus Christ. Oh. Jeez.
Like when you eat too much crayfish.
Yep. Tongues up in the on the bait board. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, send it. Big one. Oh yeah, end up with 16, eh? 16 is the magic number.
That's good.
So next time, I'll catch you out in the water. Peace.